Hi, today we're very proud to reveal the new range of Panasonic Air Conditioner Inverter models. It has amazing improvements that makes installation and servicing easy, neat and safe. We are really excited with these new improvements. And David's here to show us the installation process. So let's get started.
Lift the box cover completely off. Then remove the installation plate. The new Panasonic air conditioners come in a smaller compact size that is lightweight and flexible for easy handling and fits perfectly into narrow spaces. For installation, you will require the following tools. Now that you have all your tools ready, let's begin the easy breezy installation. The new models feature a stronger and solid installation plate that provides more stability and strength. Next, just hook the unit over the installation plate as shown and gently lock it. The new model features a built-in support holder, making installation easier. Simply unfasten it and let the holder rest against the wall, providing convenience and workspace improvements. Compared to the previous models with 2-wire inserts, the new models have integrated and combined it into one, ensuring front visibility and convenience while inserting wires from the back. With the larger piping space, you can easily ensure that the pipes and insulations are securely and neatly tucked in. For installation of the optional network adapter, just plug it in, place the network adapter at the dedicated space, and then carefully place the wires into the guiding wire slots. For uneven surfaces, you may secure the unit with 2 additional screws to ensure a neat and secure installation.
And we're done. Easy breezy.
The new model comes with a one-piece front grille design to make servicing easier.
Let's take a look at the easy servicing process for the new range of Panasonic Air Conditioner Inverter models.
First, open the intake grille and remove the screws. Next, slide the 3 slider locks. Once done, remove the front grille. Removing the PCB is also easier with the new model. Just remove the control board cover. Disconnect connectors from the indicator. Disconnect all connectors. And just pull out the main PCB in 4 easy steps. The new models are also carefully designed to make removal of cross-flow fans a breeze compared to the previous models, saving you valuable time. the new visible piping storage, you can inspect pipes for leaks easily without lifting up the unit. Cleaning the drain hose is easier now. With unobstructed access, simply unplug and plug it back with complete ease.
And we are done.
Easy breezy.
Panasonic.